My carpenters really got a kick out of this one. The idea is you have to balance all the nails. All those nails have to get balanced on one nail. That's the bet. Can you do it? And I'm going to make a little one. I made a little version of it. I got it up there. Here, Mike. This is how I do it. You take one nail and you lay it like this. Then you start alternating your nails on top of that one.
Hey Mike, is there a way you can do that so we can see it in the video?
Well, he's going to go up on top of that nail.
Yeah, I'm going to go up on top of here. So what I've done so far is I've taken the nails and alternately laid them on there. And when you pick this up, you got to do it easy. When you pick it up, the heads of the nails all grab onto the one on the top and the bottom, and they just hang on. I'll show you one more time. Here we go. So you go like this. And you set it on top of there. One fall low. Anyway, that one would have been on there too. So, that's called the balancing nail trick, and this is just a larger version so that you could all see it. And the one that I use, in the very middle of the piece, and then you grind up to that on all three sides. You just kind of sight it out, and when you end up with that, it's a great tool. You can do all kinds of things with it besides just making a hole. This is the one that I made just to bring today. And you can fancy it up as much as you want. And I think if you made these and you decorated this really nice, you know, do some lines in, burn some lines in it, you know, color it up or do whatever you want. You can make it look pretty nice. And this will do the exact same thing as I just did there. And I can show you, if you want to see it again, I can show you, but headed roofing nails. You can buy a box of them at Home Depot. I like to get the bright ones. They're called bright, right in the box, because they look like they've been finished. And you could put a spike in here, something a little taller if you wanted. It'll lay on a spike okay, like a 16 penny or something like that. So anyway, that's it, and that's all it is. I mean, this is like making a little thing, especially with the holidays coming up. You put that on your coffee table or something at home with the nails, and people are like, what's that? You know, little thing I do every night. I balance these nails all on that one. You know, it's like a Zen thing. You know, they think you're weird, but then you can end up giving them away. Then, you know, it costs you nothing almost, except for these. I get 15 cents a nail here, and scrap wood from your shop. That's the basic premise of my talk, is the little gifts that you can give away people that you can make with scrap wood in your shop and you can have fun with.
How many nails?
On this little one, I used 10 nails, 11 total, but 10 here. One on the top, one on the bottom, and then 4 and 4. That's how many fit on this nail. And so the bigger nails you get, the more you can fit. As long as your sides are even, your balance will be okay. So, does everybody get that? Do I need to finish this one, or we're good to go, right? Okay.